dinner.
These are the things that you will be needing to create this recipe. Steak, bell peppers, mushrooms, thyme, butter, water, olive oil, and garlic, and salt and pepper. Steak, and we're gonna cut the vegetables. Steaks on the barbecue. We are going to wait 5 minutes and then we can check them again. Steaks cooking out there, we're going to start cooking in here. We're going to preheat that and then we're going to wait for that to heat up and then we're going to put the oil on. Now the pan is now heated. We have to put the oil on now. It's now heated on the pan, so it's time to add all of our vegetables. Now we're going to add our salt and pepper. Add our water. Now we're going to check the steak. Vegetables are almost done and it's almost time to serve. Done barbecuing in this minus 27 weather. We have to let them rest for about 5 minutes so all the juices can soak in. Our stuff is done, now we're going to start dishing out.